Alright, quick disclaimer before this video gets started. Pretty much all the issues that you're about to see in this video have been indeed worked out. Also, I am aware that I was revving it a wee bit too high. I was supposed to rev it to only 2500 RPM, but I ended up revving it to about 3500 RPM because we didn't have a tack on it at the time, and I thought I knew something about something. So kids, put a tack on your truck before you break in the cam, before you break something. Luckily, I didn't mess up anything. So yeah, there's that. Also, the atrocious noises that you hear while the engine is running is not anything serious. It's actually the belt kind of eating itself alive because it's misaligned in some of these clips, and so we had to fix that. And also, it's the Flexolite fan just doing what it does. The Flexolite fan is really, really loud. But make sure you guys stay tuned to the end, because at the end, that's where we finally got the kinks worked out, and we finally got it to run for 30 minutes without doing anything dumb. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And for those of you out there who want to go out and build C10 or build a Camaro or build whatever car, don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it, because it can be done. All it takes is a little bit of ingenuity, a little bit of know-how, a little bit of help from friends, and a lot of research, and it can be done. Don't let anybody go and tell you that it can't be done, because I'm a living testament. I did it, and I don't have that much experience with cars, period. This is my first real setup. I mean, I've only touched in a small block Chevy one other time, so, and I did it. So yeah, you can do it too. Also guys, make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram at Young Chevy Truck. I'll put it right down here. It's YOUNGCHEVYTRUCK on Instagram. Also, I'll put my email right here as well, and I put both of those in the description of every video just in case you're trying to get in contact with me. And this year, y'all, this year has been rough. There's a lot of stuff that I probably won't ever tell and won't ever speak of, but this year has been rough. And but I feel like nonetheless we found a good bit of success along the way. Even though it was rough, I feel like I learned a lot of lessons, and that's good. So I still think we're still coming out on top right here on the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel. And we lost a lot of people along the way over the course of this motor being built. So I just want to say that this video is dedicated to my grandma, who bought me the truck, and my grandfathers, who always rooted for me when it came time to fixing it. And I also want to dedicate this video to the homie Richard, who was a big supporter of the channel. He watched every video without question. He was just someone who we saw eye to eye just like that, and I really hate that I couldn't hang out with him more. So I just want to dedicate this video to him as well. But I think we're gonna make him proud right here, right now. So without further ado, let's roll the clip. The C10 is alive.
What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel, where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and only meant to be fun for you. In this episode, the truck runs. We got it to spin. And if you're looking at this footage, then you're probably looking at it because it's running good. But in this episode, we're about to start it up for the first time in 2 years of the truck sitting. Borderline emotional, but we're about to send it. For my dead grandparents, for my dead homie, we're gonna send it. We're about to open the door in the freezing cold, and we're about to start it up and see how it's running. Also guys, make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram, because Instagram definitely needs some love. But it's Young Chevy Truck, YOUNGCHEVYTRUCK on Instagram. Also, make sure you guys leave a like on this video. I need to see at the very least like 500 likes on this video, because it's gonna be a good one. We got the motor spin really, really fast. Belts aligned, nothing's in the way of the fan. Don't have power steering on it yet. Don't have the vacuum modulator. Well, yeah, I guess I don't have that hooked up either. The vacuum modulator for the transmission isn't hooked up. I don't have the vacuum canister hooked up either for the brakes, so I got some resemblance of a brake pedal with this cam. But headers are together. Timing is set straight up. God, I'm nervous, I'm scared, but I'm also extremely excited. So I think it's time to go ahead and turn that key.
Showtime.
Showtime. This is probably what, I might even put this video up when the start party is going on. So what do you have to say to the people at the start party, Dad?
Start party, we did it. We did a lot of trials, tribulations, blood, sweat, and tears.
Blood,
But we
sweat,
did it.
tears.
It's running.
You name it.
It's running nice. A lot of dedication, a lot of sacrifice, a lot of time.
Celebratory tea, I see.
So yeah, celebratory tea. Budweiser's in. Oops. Plug for Budweiser.
What?
That's in the refrigerator.
We can't plug. We can't plug that.
Edit. You gotta learn how to bleep on that thing.
I do, but it's just.
It's been fun. It's been a good ride. Hopefully the next project will be a little bit easier than this one was.
Yeah,
But,
say
you
that
know,
again.
No pain, no gain. No challenge, no knowledge. So.
Yep. Hot rodding. If it was easy, everyone and their
Everybody
mama and their uncle and brother would be doing it.
It ain't easy, but it's been fun.
Yeah. Challenge is done.
Challenge done. See you
Yep.
on the next one.
All right, let's set this camera up.
My outro's always great.
Yeah, they always are. I need to get like you on the outros.
I'm a natural. Don't try this at home.
We need to get that on a t-shirt for real. That has to be the first Young Chevy Truck tee. Is don't try this at home.
Young Chevy Truck. Don't try this at home.
I hope nobody, someone probably already has that, but ideas. We're getting legit, okay? We gonna be legit now. So we gotta have ideas like that in the dome. Okay, we're gonna crank it up. I'm gonna switch this battery, set up the camera on my mom's car, and we're gonna crank it up and break it in. And what you see, you see. What you don't, you don't. At the very least, you'll hear it all. And we'll save the idle because we're not going to hear the idle like that. You know, initially, we're not going to hear a good idle until the actual day of the start party. So that's something I'm looking forward to. And I bet at the time of you guys viewing this video, I'm somewhere geeked and excited because I'm hearing that got. So,
Without further ado,
let's open the door. About 30 degrees outside,
no, easily.
but we gonna send it. I'm sitting on top of my mom's car.
Ready? Yep. I thought it was me. I didn't hear nothing.
You ready to look for stuff? Alright, I'm about to do it. You ready?
Kick it. You stopped too soon. Oh, it's about to do it.
Oh my goodness.
Now I wonder. We'll worry about timing in a minute. I think that's just cold start.
Yeah, but it sounded like it was still trying to get there.
It's getting ready to do it. Yeah.
It was. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I take it you're excited.
I'm very excited.
Well, I mean, I heard it sound like it was ready to dance for sure.
Ready to dance.
Okay.
I'm ready to dance. But that battery and that starter, working that 1,000 cranking amp battery, and
It's turning this puppy.
it's turning it.
Yeah.
It is turning it.
I said it would.
All the people who hate it, thank you. All the people who rooted for me, thank you even more. Thank you times a million. Y'all believed in me before anybody else did.
I ain't gonna switch it over to the start until you're ready to start.
Alright.
I don't know why.
I'm trying not to give it any more gas.
I wouldn't. Okay. Got that extra boost?
Ready?
Yep.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Alright, hold, let me try it one more time.
Whenever you're ready. Oh yeah. Whew. That's okay. I guess they had to do that. All the gas was giving.
I think it's a bit early.
You know what?
Timing is a bit,
Oh.
that's what it is.
Okay.
Because the intake valve was open when it was firing, so it
Okay.
shot back up out the carburetor.
Okay. You know that stuff.
Yeah, I saw it on Roadkill.
So.
Oh, it ran, Dad.
Yeah.
It ran. Chevy truck.
And he gave us fireworks. That was a photo. I wasn't supposed to have the camera. There's too much going on. Oh, the camera got it.
Yeah, they got it.
Okay.
You got it for sure. Okay. Now it's timing. Y'all are right. Now it's timing.
Well, you just talking little small moves anyway, right?
Yeah, I think that right there
Okay.
is the money.
It sounded good though.
It did. It was like.
Right.
I love it. I love it. It was doing the jig, right? That's what it was.
It was.
However you do the jig, I don't even know how you do it.
You got. Don't start me lying. So.
All right. No gas. Spin it, and when it comes to life, I'm gonna try to give it some more.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. What?
Because I gave it some more gas because I thought it was gonna stay up.
And it didn't.
No. All right, let's try it one time. You ready?
Yep.
Come on, Chevy truck. Maybe I should let it come to life a little bit before I give you gas.
Yeah, I guess whatever that means.
Like, let it idle a little bit.
Oh,
Go for the gas pedal.
if you can keep it at an idle. You think you can? Try it. You got nothing to lose.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. Now it seems like it's gonna need something to stay alive. Now what about the X amount of pedal before you start off of it, and then no more gas, and then crank? But my question is, how much is X amount? Or maybe when you're cranking it, you feather the gas. Just find a little sweet feather spot and hold that.
You know what? That's what I'm gonna try. Just a
Little feather.
very slight feather.
Not even pumping it, just a little feather and hold it.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Fan belt came off the fan. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah. Other than that, we're okay.
Yay!
Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. See it? I saw the fan stop spinning.
Oh yeah, that means the water pump stopped spinning too.
Yeah, okay. So stopping you was the right thing to do.
Yeah, it was. That's why I got you out here, because I wanted to know that.
Whew. Yeah, the neighbors are gonna love us.
They sure are.
I'm ready to go.
Look at the smoke.
I'm ready to go down. You did it, Stone Bean. That thing sounded good.
It was.
Wow. So
Make sure
now
nothing's on
moving
fire.
forward.
Make sure nothing's on fire, dude.
So cranking going forward should not be a problem. So
We're gonna button down some stuff and then try it again. All right, y'all. So Kevin D has talked me into it. We're gonna close today out we're gonna close today out with a win. Just say we brought it to life. We gotta see if the belt's gonna stay on because it didn't during the break-in, the first bit of break-in. But everything is running right. The timing is working. It didn't spit out the carburetor. We had it running for a little bit. So, but tomorrow when it's light outside and people aren't sleeping, and when we can roll it outside for the final time, then we'll go ahead and start her up and break it in. But I don't know why I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. I don't know why. I don't know what possessed me to think that, but I really appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, make sure you guys leave a like on this video. It's the day that you've all been waiting for. I know it's a little taste of what you've all been waiting for. But yeah, we're gonna have to resume this tomorrow. So you know what? How about I continue this video, since it's something you guys are gonna see in the future, and I'll continue the process tomorrow on this same video. So stay tuned, and we're gonna go to tomorrow. All right, y'all. It's next day, take 2. About to start it on up. We got it outside now. This is footage that the people at the start party are gonna see, Brandon. So what you got to say, what do you have to say to yourself?
Man, I just can't wait for
We gotta have a little instrumental to that. Oh God, it looks good even with the hood sitting on the roof and all that. It looks great. I'm gonna set this camera up and then we will break it in for the final time. And y'all don't be jealous, Brandon is my best friend. I've known him since I was 3 years old, so I had to have him here during the startup.
Hand it to me. Just a little sample.
Oh, I get nervous every time, every single time.
You'll get over it about 30 cranks later. 40 or 50 cranks later.
maybe just about 3 or 4 clanks later.
I'm hoping.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yep.
Fire in the hole. Belt came off again. And you got a leak right here. I don't know what this is. It's brand new though. It's coolant and it's a lot. Is that the core?
Is that like putty around there?
What is that? Sorry.
Oh yeah, it is.
But it sounded nasty.
Man, what?
You did not know. You were like, whoa, like what? Oh, why now? Why did you have to go now? I'm about to,
I mean, at least the engine starts, man.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have an idea for that.
That's about 80% of the battle done.
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear how it sounds when it just goes past.
When it goes by.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm about to walk on down here.
Okay, Brandon.
All right, man.
All right, y'all be safe.
Will do. You too.
So, we have some kind of a plug for this. Alright, y'all. We got stuff to fix, but it's still looking good though. Still looking good. Alright guys, take 2 was a slight failure, but it just still sounds really, really strong, as you can hear. And we just have to figure out how we can fix the heater core, and we have to figure out how we're going to get the alternator to line up with the rest of the belt system, and then that thing is starting. So yeah, we're still in the struggle, but this is going to be footage that you see later on. But I just wanted to, of course, make sure the video is flowing nicely, make sure that everyone who's watching this one video is understanding what's going on. So yep, and I guess we'll move on to trial 3 on the next day. So we'll talk to you guys then. Alright y'all, so we
I think we dialed everything in. We got the alternator aligned. We also bypassed the heater core. But this is stuff that you guys already saw. But I'm just keeping order for this video that you guys are watching now. But bypassed the heater core. And yeah, I think it's ready. Oh yeah, and we put the tachometer on. So we'll know what RPMs we're at while we're breaking it in. So yep, I'm gonna go spin it, I guess. You ready, Kevin Dean?
Yes, sir. I'm getting ready.
All right, let's do it. Every single time I do this, I get nervous. I said every single time I do this, I get nervous. Every single time, without fail. Even now, even though I know it pretty much runs, still nervous. Okay. All right, fire in the hole. Was that out the carburetor?
Huh?
Was that out the carburetor?
It was. Yeah.
Just the time is that starter sounds so good.
It does.
It really, really does. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Why you do that?
I think something might be a little off. I got my time.
Yeah, I tell you what's excited me.
Huh?
After the, I tell you what's excited me after the initial
Uh-huh.
start. The follow-up starts have been
Yeah, it's just
real
like,
easy.
Wait. Oh goodness. All right, you ready? I'm gonna try it one more time.
Take it away. Hit. Huh. How many minutes did you get?
5. So you think the only reason it overheated is because of that line? Chevy truck overheated on break-in, but it's all right. We turned it off before it could get too hot. But I just hate the fact that it's not really going like magic, like I would hope. But nonetheless, we're gonna see what we can do. The heater core bypass is fine, but we need to make sure we have a better connection. Might have to put another hose clamp on it. Might have to slide it on a little bit more too, because that came off. And also, we're gonna take the thermostat out and run it without a thermostat on break-in, because it overheated. I'm thinking the thermostat might be junk because, well, thermostats for these trucks are generally pretty poop. They just always have been. I don't know why, but always have been. But yep, I guess that's what we'll be doing in this episode, and that's all you'll be seeing for today. And of course, like I said, I wanted to make sure that you guys are updated on what's going on. So yeah. Are you ready?
Yep.
check this vlog out, man. You gonna be in this vlog, all right? Yeah. Anything you want to shout out? Anything right now you want to shout
Shout
out?
out to my crotch rocket that I just got back. Story coming soon.
Yeah,
Stay
story
tuned.
coming soon. Collab coming soon right here.
It's a good one.
It's a good
It's a doozy. But let me grab this real quick for you.
So did you pop a wheelie already?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. We're not gonna talk about that on the vlog.
You gonna get a kick out of
Not on the vlog. Not on the vlog.